An electric razor for men is a grooming device that uses an electric motor to power its blades and cut hair. Unlike traditional razors that require shaving cream or water, electric razors are designed to be used on dry skin. It's important to choose a razor that is comfortable to hold and maneuver, as well as easy to clean and maintain. Today we will talk about top 5 electric razor for men. This is number 1. Philips Norelco Shaver 3800. Rechargeable wet and dry shaver with pop-up trimmer. Enjoy a clean shave that follows your faces. Contours with 5-directional pivot, flex and floating movements. The head reaches your face at the ideal angle and adjusts to the curves of your face and neck, creating smooth contact with your skin. Get a convenient dry shave or a refreshing wet shave. With gel or foam, even in the shower. With comfort cut blades, you get a clean shave that's comfortable on your skin. Rounded caps shield 27 self-sharpening blades to gently cut hair just above skin level and help the shaver glide smoothly over your skin. Pop-up trimmer for mustache and sideburns. Ideal for maintaining your mustache and trimming your sideburns. Includes electric shaver, travel pouch, charging stand, power cord, and protective cap. 60 minutes of cordless shaving from a 1-hour charge shave for up to 60 minutes. That's about 20 shaves. With the powerful Li-ion battery, a 5-minute quick charge gives enough power for 1 shave. Operates in cordless mode only. Number 2. Panasonic Cordless Men's Beard Trimmer. Personalized cutting and sculpting. An adjustable dial with 19 settings to get the exact look you want. Included comb attachment raises flattened hairs for clean cutting. Cutting length steps. 19. Cutting length adjustment. 1.0 to 10 mm. Cutting length WO attachment. 0.5 mm. Precision 45-degree blade cutting system. Ultra sharp, hypoallergenic blades make this an ideal beard trimmer for men for quick, efficient hair, beard, and mustache grooming. Rubberized, ergonomic grip for maximum comfort. Sleek design is easy to hold and gives total control for cleaning. Detailed cutting and trimming. Wet and dry men's trimmer. Waterproof, 100% washable cordless mustache trimmer lets you comfortably trim in or out of the shower. Charges fast and travels easily. The ERGB42 beard trimmer charges quickly in AC Wahl adapter for up to 50 minutes of use and packs easily. Order Were 9606p replacement blade to maintain optimal trimming. Number 3. Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus Beard Trimmer. All-in-one beard trimmer, featuring 4 different attachment heads. A wide T-blade for beards and mustache trimming, touch-ups, body grooming, and detailing. The Precision Detailer head is for details, cleanup, and complex designs. Hygienic grooming. Our rotary ear and nose trimmer head provides a hygienic grooming experience by keeping your nose and ear trimming separate. It allows for 3.5 hours of continuous run time on a single charge for months of usage between charges. Our beard clipper features almost no loss of charge during storage. Stainless steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus allows for a wide variety of cutting lengths with included guide combs. With 3.5 hours of run time, our Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus is great for travel, vacation, business trips, and more. Worldwide voltage means you can use no matter what country you're in. 110 volts, 220 volts, or dual voltage. Perfect gift. Wahl clippers, trimmers, massagers, and shavers make great Christmas gifts for women and men. Give the gift of Wahl this holiday season. Number 4. Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 3 Trimmer. It is designed for men. It comes with 3 interchangeable trimming attachments, including a beard trimmer, hair clipper, and ear and nose trimmer. Unlimited versatility, ultimate precision. The precision wheel features 20 length settings and 0.02 inches steps, and an adjustable beard comb. This 3-in-1 curated style kit meets all your needs. Trim your beard, ears, and nose. Easy grooming. The ultra-sharp blade is efficient for fast grooming all over. Built to last. This trimmer for men has a powerful battery with 50 minutes cordless runtime. Long-lasting blades and comes with a washable head and combs. It comes with a rechargeable battery that provides up to 60 minutes of trimming time on a single charge. It also features a LED charging indicator that lets you know when it's time to recharge. Ready to use, the USB charger ensures you can charge your device from anywhere. Number 5. Philips Norelco OneBlade Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver. The Philips Norelco OneBlade is a revolutionary new electric grooming technology, designed for men who wear facial styles, beards, or stubble. Rechargeable OneBlade can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Trim it down, click on combs for a fast and even trim in all the right places. Edge it up, dual-sided blade for precise edging to line up your style easier than ever before. Shave it off, fast-moving cutter to shave long hair. The unique OneBlade shaving technology integrates a fast-moving cutter, 200x per second, with a dual protection system to give you an efficient, comfortable shave on longer hairs, but not too close so your skin stays comfortable. Replaceable OneBlade lasts up to 4 months. For the best shaving experience, based on 2 full shaves per week, actual results may vary. Includes 1 OneBlade, 1 handle, 3 trimming combs, and 1 power charger. So now you can easily buy your trimmer. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.